The Green Dream. In a quiet village surrounded by lush greenery, lived Rafi, a curious young student who had always been fascinated by the natural world. The forests, rivers, and fields were his playground, but he also saw them slowly deteriorating due to pollution and careless practices. Rafi dreamed big. He wanted to protect the environment, not just in his village but everywhere. His humble background meant he had limited resources, but he had something far more powerful: determination. Every day after school, Rafi would walk miles to the nearest internet cafe to study about ecosystems, climate change, and sustainable solutions. His nights were spent drafting projects, while his days were dedicated to learning and advocating for change within his community. Despite facing skepticism and financial hardships, Rafi never gave up. He applied for scholarships, entered competitions, and reached out to experts online for guidance. His persistence paid off when he was selected for an international youth conference on environmental conservation. Standing before a panel of global experts, Rafi presented his idea of integrating eco-friendly practices into small-scale industries to protect biodiversity. His passion was undeniable, and his knowledge was sharp. His project was awarded the top prize, along with the support to turn his idea into reality. Years later, Rafi's initiative had transformed his village into a model of sustainable living, inspiring others worldwide. His journey proved that dreams, no matter how big, could be achieved with passion, dedication, and the courage to keep moving forward. Because when you truly care about something, the world listens.